Some of these people don't realize the water's that deep.
A bucket or something down there.
Who?
We got a plastic bucket in the road.
I want to walk. Is there?
I don't know.
Land's already walked in it. I'm gonna walk in there. I'm not gonna get the bucket necessarily. That board's kind of heavy. Yeah, that's not in the street. Watch out, that's gonna splash. I put that cone there, maybe they'll slow down a little. No, but they've been hitting that pretty good. Like they have no clue the water's deep there. You alright?
Yeah. Out in the rain.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to sanitize my legs.
So the side of the road like raised up, huh? No, that's a board. It's just I can't get to it, and it's better than to the ground up so I'm not gonna worry about it.
Did you get Lori some pictures? I hope my cone don't float away. Look.
Woo!
Rain.